Hey, my name is Kenneth Holloman. I'm shooting this video for my anatomy and physiology lab class, course number 12580. And I'm answering the video essay question 4 on cranial nerves. And the question is choose 6 different cranial nerves, and for each one describe its importance in everyday life. The first one I'm going to start off with is the trochlear nerve. I think I pronounced that right. Pronounced that correctly. And it's basically the nerve that moves the eyeballs. Is actually the primary motor nerve. And basically, the importance of that day-to-day life is basically for seeing, observing, looking around. And of course, your eyes are used to see with, so being able to move those definitely important in everyday life. The next one is the facial nerve, and that's a mixed set of nerves, and it basically supplies nerve to the muscles of the for facial expression. It also provides taste sensation to the interior of the tongue. Those are both important. Facial expressions, being able to frown, smile, wink, blink. I would guess all those are very important. Just when communicating with people, facial expression is very important. And then a sense of taste on your tongue is very important. Why eat food if you can't taste it? So I would imagine that's an important thing to have. I know everybody have had a cold before and lost that sense of taste. Food just doesn't taste the same. It doesn't taste at all, actually. Okay, the next one, the third one, is the vestibular cochlear nerve. Hope I pronounced that right as well. It's a sensory nerve that conveys impulses from the organs that control hearing, and the balance of the inner ear to the brain, which essentially is the equilibrium. Obviously, the ability to be able to control your hearing and having a sense of balance. Have everybody, and I'm sure everyone has had issues, whether it's from a illness or anything that affects the equilibrium, kind of just throws your whole balance off, your whole body off. So I can imagine that's would be very important day to day as well. The next one I'm gonna talk about is the accessory nerve. This nerve serves the muscles of the neck, larynx, and shoulder. They run from the spinal cord into the skull before actually running back into the muscles that they serve. This is I would imagine be important in terms of just the movement of the neck, the feeling in the neck. I would guess this probably has something to do with anytime you have a cramp in your neck, that feeling you have, you slept on your neck the wrong way at night, or on the couch, or whatever the case may be. You wake up with that feeling in your neck, that tightness or that cramping. Those nerves provide that feeling, which is a very uncomfortable feeling. I don't know how important that is in day to day life, that aspect of it, but just the feeling in your neck overall, maybe from even getting a massage, those feelings are good feelings. So, who wouldn't want a massage every day? The next one is the vagus nerve. This nerve carries signals to different areas of the body. It serves the digestive system and the organs in the brain. I'm sure just from a feeling standpoint, and and it's serving the digestive system and organs in the brain. With the digestive system to start off, um, I guess I'm not quite sure they serve day to day life. I mean, I guess the feeling of having maybe a upset stomach, I guess, is more what this nerve does. If you having that feeling, any cramping, any discomfort within that area of the digestive system, or any other feelings in the brain, maybe headache. I'm guessing this nerve contributes to. Along with this, there's also other areas of the body. Um, this nerve sounds very broad. And it touches on a lot of different areas, so it keeps your body in tune with what's going on overall and feeling wise. So that would be very important. And then the last one is the um, ab- abducing nerves. I think I pronounced that right. Hope I messed that up. And this nerve controls the abduction of the eye, which, as we learn in anatomy, abduction means outward. I guess laterally. Uh, this is important because it allows vision or gaze from the outside. I guess almost peripheral, um, if that aligns right. But this is important in terms of just overall vision. Being to say, as they say, being able to see someone at the corner of your eye, being able to move that part of your eye and be able to see from that perspective would be very important. I would guess from a safety standpoint, just an overall day to day coping, at basically seeing standpoint, it would be very important. I think that covers all six cranial nerves. Again, my name is Kenneth for A&P Lab 12580. Thank you.